In this video, I will show you how you can fix the app icon missing problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you're unable to find your preferred app on the home screen, then just swipe up and open the app drawer. And from here, just check if your preferred app is available in the app drawer or not. If it is, then just tap and hold on the app icon, and from here, just select Add to Home Screen. And after you do that, you'll add your preferred app to the home screen. Now just tap and hold on the app and drag it to wherever you want. Now this is happening because by default, apps which you install on your Samsung phone will be added directly to the app drawer. Now if you want to add the apps directly to your home screen and to the app drawer as you install them, so in that case, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Home Screen. From here, just scroll down a bit, and over here you will find the option for Add New Apps to the home screen. Now after you enable this toggle, apps which you install on your Samsung phone will be added directly to the home screen as well in the app drawer. But if you're unable to find your preferred app on the home screen, and if it is also missing from the app drawer, so in that case, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just go back to the home screen settings, and from here just scroll down and look for the option for Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screen. Now after you do that, then just look for your preferred app under the Hidden Apps section. If you find your preferred app in this section, then just tap on the minus icon at the top of the app icon and remove it from here. And after you do that, then just tap on Done. And by doing that, the app will be unhidden and it will show again in the app drawer. But if your preferred app is not available in this section, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just scroll down and look for your preferred app in this section. Now if you find your preferred app in this section, then just tap on it and select Enable at the bottom of the screen, because you might have disabled the app by mistake, and by enabling this app, it will appear again in the app drawer. But if your preferred app is neither disabled or hidden, then you might have deleted it by mistake. So just go to the Google Play Store, and from here just install your app again. And this is how you can fix the app icon missing problem on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.